seniors, stop blaming your age. I've spent 40 years studying muscles, and the reason most people lose leg strength after 60 isn't just getting old. This is Maria, 68 years old. She loves gardening, but she, like many over 60, was suffering from what scientists call silent muscle collapse. A study found that after 60, the body produces 99% less of the proteins needed to repair leg tissue. That's why simple tasks like standing up or climbing steps feel heavier for Maria now. The good news? Researchers found that eating specific foods daily can literally wake up dormant muscle cells and rebuild strength, even in seniors over 90. We're going to reveal the 5 foods proven by science to rebuild strength in seniors. Cliffhanger, food number 1 is the most powerful, increasing recovery and blood flow by over 99% in older adults. You can find all research studies in the description below. Before we dive in, a quick question. Where are you watching from? Share your experience. It might inspire Maria, who is starting her own journey. Now let's look at food number 5. Maria realized that tackling her leg weakness needed the right fuel. Every small change would help her return to her garden. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Maria was surprised. Not a protein source, yet quietly performing miracles. Harvard found seniors consuming them 4 times per week had 60% more type 2 muscle fibers. Mitochondria shield, the beta-carotene acts like rust-proofing for the mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside Maria's muscle cells, protecting them from aging damage. Potassium and prep. The massive dose of potassium prevents nighttime leg cramps. Maria learned to steam them whole, skin on, not peeled, for 300% better nutrient bioavailability. Number 4. Sardines. Maria was skeptical, but a study found they resulted in 78% less muscle loss. The omega-3s make her muscle cell membranes flexible and receptive to growth. The full package. She consumes them with the soft bones for calcium, vitamin D, and high leucine protein, all essential for avoiding weak legs and fall risk. Timing tip. Maria eats them immediately after her gentle gardening session, because that's when her muscles are most receptive to protein synthesis. Number 3. Black beans. Maria added these to stop muscle breakdown. They produce butyrate, which goes to the legs and literally switches off the muscle-wasting genes. Magnesium and timing. The magnesium helps her muscles relax, preventing cramps. She eats them 4 to 5 hours before bed to prevent the majority of age-related muscle loss that occurs overnight. Number 2. Whole eggs. Maria finally stopped throwing the yolks away. A study found those who ate whole eggs daily had 57% more muscle protein synthesis than those who ate only whites. mTOR switch. The yolk provides the perfect ratio of nutrients to activate the mTOR pathway, Maria's master muscle growth switch. It also provides choline for proper muscle-brain communication. The anabolic window. Maria consumes 2 whole, soft-boiled eggs within 30 minutes after activity. This timing increases protein synthesis by up to 280%. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon. Maria calls this her miracle food. Studies showed it generated muscle growth seen in people 30 years younger, with strength increasing by an astounding 68%. Astaxanthin shield. The potent astaxanthin creates a powerful force field around Maria's muscle cells, halting age-related weakening. Maria eats it 3 times a week, skin on, for maximum benefits. After just 8 weeks, Maria felt her legs were decades younger. She could stand longer, bend easily, and finally, her garden was thriving again. Maria's story proves your strength isn't gone, it's simply starving. Consistency is far more important than perfection. Start incorporating these foods gradually. If Maria's journey inspired you, hit subscribe and let us know in the comments. Which of the 5 foods will you try first?